Hello and welcome to my channel Missy Deeps. Today I am going to use this seasonal fruit watermelon to make a toner. Watermelon revives our body from the heat outside. Watermelon juices increases the antioxidants in our body which help us to stay hydrated as well as healthy. It will not just make us hydrated from inside, but today I am going to make a toner which will revitalize our skin. As well as I'm going to add some more natural ingredients to this toner, and the combination of this toner will make our skin hydrated and also make our complexion fairer and brighter. So first of all, take some pieces out of the watermelon fruit and put it into the mixer. Blend it out and make a juice out of it. When the juice is ready, you have to take 1/4 juice in a bowl. It will be around 2 to 3 tablespoons of watermelon juice. Okay, so when you are ready for it, now I have to add 4 teaspoons of raw milk. Remember, milk is a natural cleanser. Milk make our skin softer, brighter, and it is a very effective way to cleanse your face. By combining these two ingredients, this will work as a wonder on our skin. It will not only hydrate our skin, it will also cleanse our skin and make our skin flawless. This toner will soothe our skin because our skin is getting irritated and very much dehydrated due to the excessive heat outside. So this toner is going to work as a wonder on our skin, and to make it more effective, I'm going to add a vitamin E capsule. Why? Because vitamin E capsule will help this toner to moisturize our skin in a better way. So the combination of these 3 ingredients is going to make our skin flawless, brighter, as well it will also reduce the sunburn or suntan on our skin very easily. This is the easiest possible way you can make this toner at home. Now you can dip a cotton ball into it and apply it onto your skin and let it sit for 20 minutes, and after it wash it off. And another way is that you have to let the juice sit in a ice cube box and let it sit for a few minutes until it turns into a cubes. And when it is ready, rub it onto your skin for a few minutes and then wash it off. This ice cube will also help you to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on your skin. So this two method will easily make your skin hydrated, healthy, and hydrated and healthy skin always look good and flawless. So I hope this video was very useful and informative. So by this way, you can make your own toner at home easily, without any hassle, without any hurdles. This is one of the best way to make your skin flawless during this excessive heating summer season. Well guys, if you liked my video, then do like, share and subscribe. And who haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe, because this motivates me to make this kind of video more on this channel.